Asian Paints' latest quarter results have suffered a bit, with management coming out and saying that in general demand in the rural segment has been poor and headwinds due to elections and heat wave have caused the results to decline a bit. Definitely that showcases the current situation of paint industry. But such a stalwart and such a big company like Asian Paint, minor speed bumps are yet to and are always normal to arise. If you are an investor holding on to Asian Paints, do you think it is time to move on? Let us ask Mr. Prasad and get his view.
If you are an investor in Asian Paints and if you have the patience to go through the numbers and then try to justify your decision to get out of Asian Paints, the answer is no, don't move out if you are already holding. But if you are not holding Asian Paints, if you ask us, should we consider buying it? No. That means if you are holding, continue to hold. If you are not holding, don't buy. Why? Because the turnover, if you look at this in the last 4 years, from 18,000 crores, it almost doubled to 35,000 crores. Whereas the profit of the same company, which used to be 2,300 crores, not only doubled to 4,600 crores, it went up all the way to almost like 5,600 crores in last quarter, 2024 March. But this quarter, trailing 12 months, it slightly dipped to 5,169 or 5,200 crores. About 5-6% drop in the net profit, trailing 12-month basis. That is not a blip. You don't need to be worried at all because having gone that far, whenever the demand shrinks, there has to be some setback. But is it going to be long lasting? No, because the government is going to announce the budget in July this next week. And once the budget is announced, as expected by many people, if the consumption is given a big boost by the budget moves, then obviously the reviving in purchasing power and then buying capacity for paint industry will be shooting up. Once it happens, the company will dramatically see the fortunes change. Having said all this, is it still not, why it is not investment worthy? Because the gap between fair price of 3,636 and current market price of 2,931 is only 24%. It does not qualify to be an investment company. But remember, if it drops by another 10%, the gap widens to more than 30%, it becomes unattractive. So what you must remember, if the price drops significantly, it becomes a good buy. If price doesn't fall from here or doesn't rise from here too much, then it is worth holding on to. But if it goes to 3,636, it is a company where profit should be booked and then you can move on the money. So at this point of time, inaction is the best action for the people who are holding Asian Paints.